Hi everyone, my name is KB and you're watching KB'Tech. In this video, I will give you a complete review on the Honor latest build smartphone, that is the Honor 8X. Before I proceed further, I request you to please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed my channel yet. So without wasting any more time, let's see the box contents first. Inside the box we have some user manuals and a silicone case. That's really nice. Apart from this, let's see, we have some warranty cards and a charger. Unfortunately, it's not a turbo charger, but at this price tag you can expect a normal charger only. Let's see the cable, whether it's type C or micro USB. Unfortunately, it's a micro USB cable. Nothing else inside this box. So let's keep everything aside and see the device. So here is our device. So here is a brief about the specifications of this device. Let's have a quick view. There are three color variants of this device. One is midnight black, one is navy blue, one is red. This is the navy blue color variant. Apart from this, there are three storage options available for this device. One comes with 6 gigs of RAM, 128 GB internal. One comes with 6 gigs of RAM, 64 GB internal, and one comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 GB internal. This is the 4 gigs of RAM and 64 GB internal model. If I talk about the design of this device, at the bottom we have a micro USB port, we have speakers and a 3.5 mm audio jack, and it's quite disappointing that we have a micro USB port, not type C port. Apart from this, on the left hand side we have a lock key, we have our volume rockers, and at the top of the phone we have a noise cancellation mic, and on the left hand side we have a SIM card tray. Nothing else on the left hand side. And if I talk about the screen, it's quite large and it comes with 19:9 aspect ratio, and it's full HD plus, not quad HD. So let's unlock this device and see what's the Android version it comes with. As you can see, this is not the default UI of Honor. By default it comes with Emotion UI, but I don't like that UI much, so I'm just using the Pixel 3 launcher. So let's go into the settings and see what's the Android version of this device. Let me go inside this, and as you can see, it comes with Android 8.1.1 out of the box. This is not the latest version actually, but yeah, you can expect the Pie update soon, although Honor is not so quick in rolling out the updates. As I told you, it comes with Emotion UI. Now let's see the back of this device, which makes this device looks premium. As you can see, there is a dual tone at the back. Apart from this, we have a fingerprint sensor at the back. Also, this device has a dual camera setup, which consists of 20 megapixel primary sensor and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor. The secondary sensor is a depth sensor basically, and the camera is supported by AI imaging. And there is no doubt that this device looks so premium in hands. Apart from this, if I talk about the processor of this device comes with HiSilicon Kirin 710, which is the latest processor by the Honor. If I compare this processor with other Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, whether it is 660 or 636, this processor is more efficient than those processor. Although the hardware specifications of all the processor are quite similar, but this processor is more powerful and more efficient than those processor, and which makes this device quite better than the device which is having Qualcomm Snapdragon processors. Okay, so let's see the camera application. The UI is quite similar to the UI of Google Camera. There are various modes available. Let's see whether we can shoot a 4K quality video from this device or not. Let's go into the settings and see. Unfortunately, there is no such option of 4K. That's a bit disappointing. We can only shoot up to 60 frames per second at a quality of 1080p. Apart from this, there are various other modes available, as you can see. Apart from this, we also have portrait mode feature in the camera application. Let me show you the picture that I have taken from this device. Let me zoom in the pic and show you how clear it is. As you can see, the blur is also fine. This is because of AI imaging, and I'm impressed with the camera performance personally. So let's see how much storage is available for the use out of 64 GB. As you can see, approximately you get 45 GB out of 64 GB. But you can expand the storage by SD card, as there is no hybrid slot, so there won't be any issue in that. Also, let's see whether there is option to hide the notch or not. Yes, there is an option available for that. As you can see, now the notch is not visible, and now the notch is visible. It's a quite useful feature. but yeah, I like the notch, so I won't hide it. Apart from this, there is also an eye comfort option available in the display settings. As you can see now, the display is quite yellowish. It's a very useful feature, especially at night. This device also comes with a face unlock feature, so let's try it. As you can see, the device has been unlocked by my face. Also, let's see the fingerprint sensor, how fast it is. As you can see how fast it is. There is no such lag while unlocking the device. Also, the screen size of the device is quite large. As you can see, it's 6.5 inch, but the device is not so heavy and it's quite handy. I mean, I personally like the device. I've been using this device from the last 15 days till now. I haven't found any bloatwares. I mean, it's quite smooth and fast. Also, let me show you some more pictures that I have taken from this device. As you can see, this is a flower pic that I have taken from this device. How clear it is, and the blur is also very fine. Let me show you another sample. As you can see how clear it is, and it's all because of AI imaging, as the depth sensor is not so good. It's just 2 megapixels, but yeah, thanks to AI imaging. Apart from this, let me show you some another samples, flower pictures. So I personally like. If I talk about the price of this device, it costs you around 15,000 rupees. As I told you, there are 3 variants available for this device. This is the base variant, which comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 GB internal. But yeah, you can avail few discount during the Flipkart sales, just like I did. That's it from my side, guys. If you like the video, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.